higher number of students having cleared the Class 10 board exams this time round, Mumbai metropolitan region has witnessed a dip of 17% in online registration for Class 11 students. Now, this is as compared to last year. Only 2.02 lakh students have done online registrations this year compared to 2.42 lakh last year. So, dramatic shift there downwards. When Myrna spoke to college officials, they cited the economic impact of the pandemic.
So first of all, these are uncertain times, so totally unprecedented, and students are in a completely fluid state. So pandemic is a very unusual situation. In fact, their entire scenario about the exams being conducted or not conducted was also all in a limbo. So one of the primary reasons is the awareness. Mostly schools would have these workshops and orient them. So that's one communication gap that has not happened. They are left on their own to register. Point number two, very, very importantly, is they are not really aware of these last dates. Like you mentioned, the 22nd August, the government, the media, the school authorities, the higher education authorities have not emphasized it so much. So students are still under the opinion that the date will keep getting extended.
Let me, in fact, go across to Disha, who is joining us for more details here. Disha, if you can help us understand, the primary reasons why we're seeing this kind of a shift downwards in terms of registrations for Class 11 onwards.
Well, Avni, definitely. So, of course, this month we saw that how the online process of registration for the FYJC admission started in the state of Maharashtra, and particularly if we focus about metro cities like Mumbai and the areas surrounding those cities for that matter, we have seen a dip in the registrations coming in from the students for the FYJC admission. So primarily, if we talk about in terms of percentage, there has been about 16 to 17% of dip in terms of registrations of FYJC admissions. So what are the possible reasons behind this? So when we spoke to the principals and professors, across the board, specifically even from the education department, they have cited several reasons. Firstly, lack of awareness among students, as to how to do the online registration process. Because remember, until now, of course, what students used to do is physically go to the colleges that they want to go to collect the forms, fill it, and then submit it. So primarily, that was the entire process. But now, of course, with all the online registration, students found it very difficult to register. So that is one of the reason why the applications have been less this year. Secondly, awareness amongst students about the last date. So not a lot of students were being made aware of when is the last date of submitting an online registration, and that is why we have seen at least a dip of 40,000 registrations this year compared to last year. And another reason, of course, what most of the fraternities also talking about is the economic impact of the lockdown. A lot of people who lost their jobs migrated to their hometowns. So, the students of those families did not really come back to fill the forms for the colleges. So these are the three major reasons why we saw a dip in the online registration for FYJC admissions this year.
All right, Disha, thank you so much for joining us with all of those details. So that's the reason essentially why there has been this kind of a dip in registrations at this point.